Oh, when I look at this fabric, I say, ooh la la, it's so sweet. Couldn't you just picture this in a nursery? Oh, it's just wonderful. You could do the skirting around the crib, do valances for a nursery. It has a white background, and the birds are gray and sort of a pinky peach with some aqua in it. I'll bring it up close. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't it sweet? It's a fairly lightweight fabric. It's a cotton, heavyweight cotton, I'll say. It has, let's see, the birds are 2.5 inches by 1.5. There would be no repeat on it, but it is directional. All of the birds would have to go up. So you'd have to probably buy extra if you were to buy it, because it would need to go all the way up, everything you did. It is a printed fabric. It's, gee, it would make even beautiful drapes. You could upholster with it, but I would, there again, I would not do anything that was high trafficked area. It's just a gorgeous, sweet fabric. It really is. They do swatches, and it is a closeout fabric.